Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dji, in case you don't know. So recently I posted a video here on my YouTube channel about Dji Mavic Mini, which is the first ever drone I've flown in my life. So by the way, if you haven't seen the video, the link is up here. Try to check it out. So at the end of the video, I try to show you guys some of the cinematic footage I got from the drone. Some of you were asking me on Instagram, why did I make the cinematic footage so short? So that made me took the Dji Mavic Mini to the street of Jakarta to create this piece for you guys. Enjoy. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next one. Peace.